Hi Ashish, what's up?
Hey, hi, I'm fine, Salim. You tell, what's going on?
Not so good. I'm really tensed. Anticipating the higher cutoff this year for the science stream.
Same here. I've scored 70%. Still, I wonder if it'll be sufficient enough to get me into MSc Physics.
I have a similar story. After scoring 73%, even I'm not sure if I'll get through. Seeing the previous year's cutoff, it looks a little dicey.
Which stream are you aiming at?
MCOM.
Let's see what happens. If I don't get admission here, I'll go for MBA.
Even I'm planning for the same.
Though my father wants me to join some other college in case I fail to get admission here, but I think instead of pursuing it through an ordinary college, it's better to go for some professional degree like MBA.
Yeah, true. Even my brother suggested me the same. He even favored the correspondence course. But I don't think so. Regular is regular.
Let it be. By the way, what are you doing this Sunday?
Nothing as such. Why? Any plans?
Yeah, let's go for a movie.
Of course, it would be stress relieving. But let's complete the admission formalities first, because this is our priority at the moment. Well, are you aware of the admission process after the cutoff list is out?
Yes, I am. It's pretty simple. Just visit their official website. It would ask you about your personal, academic, and a few other details like photographs and all. That's it.
Oh, thanks for reminding me of the photograph. I got it clicked in the Om Color Lab in the morning today. They had asked me to come after an hour, but I just forgot it.
Om Color Lab. Where is it?
It's near Bikaner.
Oh, I see. I also have to get something packed from there. Let's go together.
Sure, let's go.
यह वीडियो भारत के सबसे प्रसिद्ध 90 डेज इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स से ली गई है। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट करिए www.spokenenglish.guru।